Diyaluma, which is situated at the Koslanda Vallavaya road, is an icon of environmental beauty of the Badulla district. It is the third highest waterfall in Sri Lanka. The water stream that cascades in a 171-meter precipice creates an unbelievable exquisiteness. Tourists who like to explore the natural wonder can enter the bottom of the waterfall. The path to the bottom of the waterfall is not that long, but is certainly an adventurous endeavor. Cheerful moments await you when you reach your destination. A tragic story mentioned in folklore, where a prince who had fallen in love with an outcast beautiful young woman is linked with this wonderful waterfall. The flowers blooming in the vicinity have become a natural decoration to the Diyaluma Waterfall. Small water streams at the bottom of the waterfall creates a home for hundreds of thousands of small fish. It is one of the best places to try fish therapy. Diyaluma is the final of the series of waterfalls created by the Punagala Oya in the UWA province. The water stream which merges with Kuda Oya will amalgamate with Kirindiganga and meet the sea at Tissa Maharama, adding a magnificent splendor to the area.